Right now, time is moving, second after second, invisible, silent, ignored. If time suddenly froze, the world around you wouldn't explode, collapse, or glitch. It would just stay. A raindrop hanging in midair, a bird frozen mid-wing, a car suspended inches from impact, a flame paused in perfect stillness. But that's not the scary part. The scary part is you. Because your mind, your thoughts, your consciousness, all depend on chemical reactions in the brain. No time equals no reactions. No reactions equals no thought. Your last moment becomes your final moment. You never see the freeze, because your perception stops with it. To you, time stopping feels like nothing. Not darkness, not pain, just a missing moment that never arrives. Now imagine observing Earth from outside of time, if that were even possible. Our planet becomes a sculpture, a cosmic photograph, oceans frozen mid-wave, clouds locked in swirling spirals, cities paused in the middle of motion. Earth stops orbiting the sun stops producing light, stars stop burning, galaxies stop rotating. Everything becomes a still frame of the universe, a perfectly preserved snapshot, forever trapped. Time isn't a convenience, it's what allows the universe to happen. Remove it, and reality becomes a paused video with no way to press play again. Here's where things get truly disturbing. Physics depends on time. Motion, energy, gravity, none of them work without it. No time means no cause and effect, no movement, no temperature, no pressure, no physics, no reality as we know it. Atoms stop vibrating, electrons stop orbiting, light stops traveling. Photons freeze in place like tiny glowing dust. Your shadow stops changing. Your heartbeat doesn't slow. It simply never beats again. Time isn't a line we move through. It's the engine that keeps existence running. Turn it off, and the engine dies. Now here's the nightmare scenario no one talks about. What if time restarts? Suddenly, violently. Everything that was frozen attempts to continue instantly. The raindrop falls. The bird crashes. The car hits. The bullet fires. The explosion completes. The wave collapses. All the energy paused in the universe detonates at once. It would be like unpausing a movie after the entire cast spent 1 billion years frozen in place. The shock alone could release enough uncontrolled energy to tear apart planets. And humans? We simply blink into motion, with no idea anything happened. Because in your mind, no time passed. The universe could freeze for 1 trillion years, and you'd return mid-blink with only a single second missing. Here's the truth. Time isn't just a measurement. It's not a clock. It's not seconds or hours. Time is the structure of reality, the stage on which everything plays out, the silent rule that keeps the universe moving. If it stopped, even for an instant, everything would end. Quietly, instantly, without fear, without warning, and without any chance to notice. So the next time you check the time, remember this. The universe only works because time moves forward. And if it ever stops, you won't feel it. You won't see it. You won't even have a final thought. Just nothing. If this made you uneasy, good. Subscribe for more science that reveals the strange, terrifying, and incredible universe we live in.